Today's video is going to be a DIY Ottoman cover for my Ottoman that's in the corner. You may have seen it in some of my vlogs. So, what I'm going to be using is this velvety, well not velvety, it's a very soft, it's almost like a fuzzy blanket material that I got from Joann's. Our Joann's is closing, so all their fabrics have been on sale for really cheap. I bought a couple for $3, a whole roll thing, but this one cost me $5 because they raised the price. But this is what it looks like. It kind of has a square pattern, but it's super soft. So I'm going to make a duvet cover. I've watched one video on YouTube. I will link it down below, the one that I'm referencing, just to make sure I had some sort of idea of what I was going to do, and I think I do. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my sister's scissors, or my scissors, haven't decided yet. I also bought a measuring tape to measure. I'm going to use this wet erase marker to mark on the inside part since it is white and it won't show through, and then that way I can get started. Here's my picture, and then I'll write my measurements along. I'm going to measure. Oh, first I'm going to take off this blanket. Oh, what did I just throw over here? Bobby pins. We're fine. And actually, I think this comes off too. Oh, whoa. This is nice. Okay, this took a lot longer than I feel like it should have, but now that I took off that other cushion, or the whole comforter that was on it, it's not as soft, but it's a lot more elegant than I thought it would be under here. Okay, so I did all the measurements. When I cut out the fabric, I'm actually going to make the height a little bit longer because I might add a elastic under to kind of cinch under, but I'm not sure yet. And that way I have hemming space too. And when I cut out all these fabrics, I'm probably going to cut them out about 2 inches more than I need, just to make sure that I have seam allowance. So yeah. What I've done so far is I have pinned all the pieces together to make the shape of the Ottoman, and now I'm going to sew it up so that way all the sides are good. The last thing I'm going to do after I sew it all up is hem it, but first I want to try it on after I sew it up.